here are some tips to help you when you want to make your mask at home. First of all, we need to know the right size for the person we are making. It's simple by template. You just decide, make the measurement and you decide. Then another nice tip, when you attach the second layer to the first one, just make one line here to insert this small metal plastic. I think you find it in any grocery shop in the plastic bags. We can use it. We insert it here so it can stay fixed on the nose. With this, the third layer, it's easy to just slide it inside. And now you have your own homemade mask.